Hello guys, and welcome back to the series in which I build an 8-bit CPU on breadboards called Tier 8 CPU. Now, today I present to you the new design. I have removed unnecessary features from the ALU. I have tidied up the control units, making it use massively less amount of ROM space. It used to use ridiculous amounts of ROM, but it no longer does. In fact, if you keep it to 64 instructions and 4 stages, which I've done, you can get away with up to 32 control wires, of which I only used 30, no, not even 30, only 29. And in the end, you only end up using 256 memory indexes. That's what it was. So most of the design tweaks are done. The entire design is done at this point, and I'm going to work on getting this onto the breadboard. So soon I'll start making the registers and probably the program counter as well. I don't know if I have the other chips, but if I do, I'll make the ALU and at least part of the control unit as well. And in the end, I am going to make a kit for sale of Tier 8 CPU. You can buy a kit made on a professional PCB, on which you see all the components I have before me here. And there will be some instructions with it, how to put it together, obviously. Also, if you didn't know at this point, in this series you will need a fundamental understanding of binary and logic. Of binary and logic. If you don't, go watch some tutorial. But anyway, that's really right about what I had to say. So I will see you later.